I'm Tony Beales, and I've been cooking for as long as I can remember. I've been a professional chef for over 20 years, and I'd like to welcome you to my world.
Hello and welcome to the July Recipe of the Month. So today we're going to make grilled free-range chicken breast with sage mashed potato, Jerusalem artichokes, broad beans picked from my garden this morning, vine ripened cherry tomatoes, and that's all bound together with a delicious white wine cream sauce.
Start by making the sage mashed potatoes. So peel, cook and mash the potatoes, and before you add the cream and butter, infuse it with loads of fresh sage. Make sure the mash is smooth and creamy and well seasoned with salt and pepper. Take the chicken breast and marinate in garlic and herb oil. Season with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Grill on a hot griddle to sear the skin and give a lovely smoky flavour to the chicken. Once seared, pop in the oven for a further 10 minutes or so on around 170 degrees until cooked. Rest the chicken once cooked for around 5 minutes before cutting and serving. For the Jerusalem artichoke puree, simply peel, wash and cook in a little salted water with a squeeze of lemon juice. Once cooked, liquidize by adding a small amount of the cooking juice at a time to keep the puree nice and thick. Pod the broad beans, blanch in boiling salted water and refresh in iced water. Then simply pop off the shells. Reheat the beans in a little butter and season just before serving. Blister a few vine-ripened cherry tomatoes in the oven for decoration. And for the white wine sauce, simply sweat off some chopped shallot, garlic and fresh herbs, and reduce some white wine. Chardonnay works very well with this dish. Then reduce some homemade chicken stock, and finally add some double cream before straining. Season to taste and add a squeeze of lemon juice just before serving. Assemble the dish like this. And decorate with purple basil to make this dish really stand out. And there you have it. Grilled chicken, Jerusalem artichoke puree, sage mash, broad beans and a white wine cream. So enjoy this, and I look forward to seeing you next month.